going to make the dressing for our Caesar salad. I've taken the bowl and the whisk that I was going to use and chilled them. That seems to help keep the salad, maintain its freshness, and the dressing coagulates well. I'm going to add some fresh lemon juice. This is a nice big lemon, and it's only a Caesar salad for 2, so I'm going to use juice from half a lemon and a little shot of wine vinegar. You can use red or white. I happen to have a little red. And a couple of dashes of Worcestershire sauce. That gives it a depth of flavor. And about a half teaspoon of crushed garlic. And about a teaspoon and a half of Dijon. Cracked black pepper. I'm going to take the anchovies. This is 3 anchovies that I've minced. And we take the yolk only of 1 egg. I'm going to have to get the white out of there. And all I've got is the yolk. And then I'm going to whisk that together. That's the base for our sauce, our dressing. Whisk that together very well. And I'm going to add some oil. It's both, I like to do some extra virgin olive oil, but not all extra virgin olive oil because I think that's a little too heavy. I'm going to add some canola oil also. Really nice. See how it comes together? Okay. Now I'm going to add our romaine. And then just got to toss it around. Oh, that's plenty of dressing. And when we come back, we're going to finish our Caesar salad.